In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make your own wefts out of spare wig fibers. You will need a plastic bag sealer, much like the one I'm using in this video. I just bought the cheapest one I could find online. Separate a chunk of fibers to about the size that I am making. You want it to be thin enough so that the heat can penetrate to the other side. Brush out the end that you are going to seal for any loose fibers. Firmly seal the fibers, aligning the heat strip with the most dense point at the end. After 5 seconds, release your grip and press down a second time. Carefully flip your fibers over and seal the other side. Be sure to align the heat strip with the portion you have already sealed on the other side. After you have finished, repeat the process under the initial seal. This will secure any loose fibers and fortify the weft better. Trim off the excess fibers just above the initial seal. Finish by brushing out any loose fibers. This is a very quick and easy method to create wefts without much effort. I haven't bought wefts in years since I've been using this method. If you have any tutorial suggestions, comment below. Thanks for watching.